Kravan Temple or Prasat Kravan is a small 10th century Hindu temple located at Angkor Archaeological Park in Cambodia. This temple was constructed by a high-ranking official named Mahendra Varman during the reign of King Varman I. There are 4 fascinating details about this ancient marvel. Number 1. Dedication and name. The original Sanskrit name of Prasat Kravan remains unknown. In Khmer, it is called Prasat Kravan, which means Atabutris Adoratismus Temple. The temple was dedicated to the Hindu deity Vishnu, as indicated by an inscription on the door jambs. Number 2. Architecture and layout. Prasat Kravan consists of 5 reddish brick towers situated on a common terrace. The temple is oriented to the east and is surrounded by a small moat. Its exterior stands out for its classical lines and symmetry. The central and the south towers feature superstructure that create a sense of forced perspective through the missing tiers. Number 3. Bas reliefs. The interior walls of the central towers showcase intricate bas reliefs depicting Vishnu. 3 representations of Vishnu carved on the brick walls. 4-armed Vishnu astride his vehicle Garuda, holding standard appurtenances: the globe, the conch, the discus, and the button. 8-armed Vishnu stands stiffly in the position of a status. He is surrounded by hundreds of tiny devotees and surmounted by a crocodile or a lizard. 4-armed Vishnu, again holding his 4 standard appurtenances, takes a light step. This image illustrates the story of Vishnu in his incarnation as Vamana, the wolf, taking 3 great steps to reclaim the world from the Asura Bali. The northernmost towers features bas reliefs of Lakshmi, Vishnu's consort, flanked by devotees. One depicting shows her holding the trident of Shiva and the discus of Vishnu. Number 4. Rare artwork. Prasat Kravan's captured artwork is rare in known Khmer monuments. This temple is unique in the Angkor site for its brick towers' remarkable finesse. This monument is a rare example of bas relief carved on brick walls. It is also unique by the presence of an image of Vishnu with 8 arms, named protector of the 3 worlds. The temple's rich history, stunning bas reliefs, and dedication to Vishnu make Prasat Kravan a must-visit for everyone exploring the ancient wonders of Angkor.